Welcome to the Omni Dental and Med Spa podcast. Today we're diving into, well, a really significant development for advanced dental implant technology happening right here in your local community. We're going to unpack a pretty high-profile visit to Omni Dental. The CEO of Thommen Medical, a global leader in dental implant solutions, was there, and we want to explore how this collaboration, aims to bring world-class precision right here to you. So our mission for this deep dive, it's really to understand what this partnership actually means for advanced dental care. What specific cutting-edge technologies are involved, and maybe most importantly, how does it directly impact your experience and the long-term results of your treatment? Let's get into it.
Yeah, let's do that. And I think to really grasp the significance here, we should probably start with Omni Dental and Med Spa itself. It really is a vital local hub for advanced care. It's located at 305E Rand Road, right in Arlington Heights, Illinois. Leading the practice is Dr. Ballas Poles, DDS. He's got over a decade of experience covering general, cosmetic, and restorative dentistry. And what really stands out talking to patients is Dr. Poles' gentle chair-side manner, his meticulous attention to detail, and a really deep, unwavering commitment to truly patient-centered care.
That patient-first approach, that really sounds like the bedrock, doesn't it? And it seems clear Omni Dental offers, well, more than just routine checkups. It's a comprehensive approach.
Precisely. Yeah, they're absolutely dedicated to crafting personalized treatment plans and making sure the environment is comfortable, welcoming for every single patient. What's quite interesting is their dual nature. So on the dental side, you've got a broad spectrum of advanced treatments. This includes specialized dental implants, things like all-on-4.
All-on-4, right?
Exactly, and full arch implants, which basically means replacing a whole arch of teeth, maybe even a full mouth, using just 4 or maybe a few more strategically placed implants. They also do cosmetic dentistry, prosthodontics, that's like dentures, and of course emergency dental care. But then complementing all that, they offer a curated selection of aesthetic med spa services.
Med spa too, like what kind of services?
Things like injectables, Botox, fillers, Sculptra, PRF, advanced skin treatments like microneedling, hydrofacials, laser pigmentation removal, even permanent makeup like microblading, and body treatments, body sculpting, laser hair removal, IV drip therapy.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, it's a truly holistic approach, and that really sets them apart. They serve Arlington Heights, obviously, but also nearby communities. Buffalo Grove, Palatine, Mount Prospect, Rolling Meadows, Schaumburg, Wheeling, DePlain, Elk Grove Village. Quite a wide area.
That is an impressive range of advanced care, covering a pretty significant region. So, given that reach and what sounds like a history of adopting new tech, how did Omni Dental's commitment to innovation pave the way for this specific collaboration we're digging into?
Well, Omni Dental has genuinely always prioritized integrating, cutting-edge tools and techniques. This isn't just about having shiny new equipment. It's really more of a philosophical commitment. They're constantly updating their practices to achieve the most precise, the most efficient dental care. And ultimately, that translates directly to better patient outcomes. So this proactive embrace of technology, it really positioned them perfectly for the main event we're discussing, the visit of Mr. Livio Marso.
Right, the CEO of Thommen Medical.
Exactly, to their Arlington Heights practice.
Okay, so this wasn't just a standard meeting then. It sounds like a pretty big deal, a CEO from a globally known company visiting directly. September 7, 2025. That date seems important. What was the actual purpose behind this visit?
You're right, it was much more than just a casual chat. The visit really marked a strategic step forward. The goal was bringing world-class implant technology directly to patients right here in the Northwest Chicago suburbs. So the core purpose, it was to explore and really solidify a promising collaboration focused specifically on advancing dental implant technology within this region, making these sophisticated solutions locally accessible.
Okay, so Thommen Medical. For some of our listeners, maybe this name is new. Who are they? Exactly. Why is the CEO's visit such a significant event? When you say world-class, what does that actually mean when we're talking about a dental implant? How does that quality level translate into something a patient can actually notice beyond just a brand name?
That's a really crucial question. So Thommen Medical, they're based in Grenchen, Switzerland. They are globally renowned, a true leader in dental implantology. And when we talk about Swiss precision engineering, it's not just a marketing phrase. It really signifies an uncompromising standard. What that means is their implants are designed and manufactured with incredibly tight tolerances. They use advanced materials, advanced processes, all rigorously tested.
Okay.
So for you, the patient, this translates into a Well, a profound shift in predictability. It means we're moving beyond just a good enough standard. We're talking about a level where complications are statistically much, much rarer. The long-term success rate for your implant isn't just, hoped for, it's engineered right into the design.
Engineered success. I like that.
Yeah, it's about proactive problem prevention,
Mm.
built into the material science itself. It leads to a much more confident, much more durable outcome for the patient.
That makes a lot of sense. Engineered success, not just good luck. And their global reach is quite something too, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. Thommen Medical has subsidiaries in the U.S. and Germany. Their representation spans across Europe, Asia, the Middle East. And what's really significant now is that this global footprint is extending directly into places like Arlington Heights. It ensures their cutting-edge solutions become locally accessible, which is key. They're driven by, get this, over 35 years of clinical expertise. And their philosophy centers on simplicity, personalization, and of course, safety. Their flagship implant system, for instance, is called Nevio. It's even described as the first gentle implant.
The first gentle implant. That's a pretty powerful claim, especially since, let's be honest, dental procedures can cause some anxiety for people. But what does gentle actually mean for an implant? How do they achieve that?
Right, and it's more than just good marketing. It actually refers to a specific design philosophy aimed at minimizing trauma and really optimizing the healing process. Think about it like this. Specific micro-textured surfaces on the implant itself encourage faster, less disruptive bone integration. That's the osseo integration we mentioned. They also use unique thread designs that reduce stress on the surrounding bone when the implant is placed.
Oh,
All these little innovations are engineered to mean less discomfort during and after the procedure, a quicker, smoother healing process, and ultimately just a more positive experience for you.
that's a very clear difference. So let's get to the core of it. This meeting between Mr. Marzo and Dr. Poles. With such advanced tech being discussed, what were the main points they focused on?
Well, the conversations between Mr. Marso and Dr. Poles, they were really rooted in their shared philosophies: precision, innovation, patient-first care. It highlighted how Thommen's commitment to quality aligns just perfectly with Omni Dental's mission. Their discussions really dove into the critical technical stuff like biocompatibility. That's essentially how well the implant material gets along with your body's natural tissues. You want to prevent rejection, ensure long-term health.
Right, makes sense.
And then there's osseointegration. That's that amazing process where the implant physically fuses with your jawbone. It forms a foundation just as strong, just as stable as a natural tooth root.
Wow.
These aren't just jargon words. They are absolutely fundamental to an implant's success and how long it lasts. And they also explored advanced, minimally invasive implant techniques.
It sounds highly technical, but obviously incredibly important. Beyond the pure science, though, was there also a focus on the patient's experience in all this?
Oh, absolutely. Mr. Marzo really highlighted the profound importance of patient education. He pointed out that when patients truly understand the why, the science behind their treatment, it naturally builds trust. And this is a value that both Thommen Medical and Omni Dental share deeply. They recognize that informed patients are empowered patients.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
It just reinforces that it's not only about the technology itself, but also about clear communication and building confidence in the care you're receiving.
Okay, so let's bring it home. What does this collaboration ultimately mean for you, the patient? Especially if you're in the Arlington Heights area or one of those nearby towns. How does this partnership translate into real, tangible benefits?
The direct advantages are honestly transformative. First and foremost, you gain direct access to these cutting-edge Swiss implant systems that previously were often limited to maybe elite European clinics or big academic centers. This brings a level of sophistication and proven reliability right to your local dentist's office, which is a huge advantage.
And it's not just access, right? We're talking about actual improvements in how the care is delivered. Like the idea of minimally invasive care that sounds like a massive benefit. What does that mean for someone getting an implant?
Yes, exactly. These techniques are real game changers. Imagine, instead of potentially facing months of appointments, maybe multiple surgical stages, we're talking about a process designed to speed up healing, minimize discomfort, and significantly improve your overall recovery. For instance, the focus on day dental implant treatment. It streamlines the whole process.
The dental implant. Okay.
It often means fewer appointments are needed, and you can get back to normal function much quicker compared to traditional implants, which, might require several surgeries spaced out over months.
Or months, potentially.
It's not just about being fast. It's about minimizing the disruption to your life, letting you regain your confidence and comfort much, much sooner.
That definitely sounds like a much less intimidating process. So besides comfort and speed, how does this collaboration boost the personalization aspect of the treatment?
Ah, that's where personalized treatment plans really shine. This partnership leverages advanced digital workflows and precision design. What this means is your implant solution isn't some generic one-size-fits-all thing. It's custom-made, tailored specifically for your unique anatomy.
Tailor to me.
Exactly, ensuring the optimal fit, function, and, importantly, aesthetics. This digital precision contributes directly to the long-term success and the natural feel of the implant.
And finally, a really key benefit seems to be the assurance of expert-led dentistry. How does Dr. Pohl's direct involvement, like his training, enhance the care patients get?
Well, Dr. Poles is being very proactive here to make sure patients benefit from the absolute latest techniques. He's actually going to be participating in an upcoming intensive training program in Switzerland.
In Switzerland, wow.
Yes, getting direct, hands-on experience with Thommen's advanced surgical protocols, their materials, their digital tools. This commitment ensures that Omni Dental patients are receiving care that's informed by the very cutting edge of implantology, delivered by a clinician who has direct, specialized training right from the source.
So this partnership, it really does seem to cement Omni Dental's position as a regional leader in advanced implantology. It means they're offering genuinely world-class treatments, but with all the convenience and familiarity of local care. That's quite a shift, making that level of innovation so accessible.
Absolutely. And if we sort of zoom out and connect this to the bigger picture, this collaboration really showcases how global innovation, especially in specialized fields like dental implantology, is becoming more and more accessible at a local level. So here's something to think about. What does this trend mean for the overall advancement and quality of healthcare services right here in our communities? And maybe more personally, how might it empower you to seek out the very best available care?
That is a powerful thought to consider. As you reflect on the future of your own oral health, we definitely encourage you to explore these advanced dental options. If you are considering dental implants or maybe seeking other advanced treatment options, Omni Dental is certainly a destination to keep in mind, bringing that Swiss-grade precision right here to you.